Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform experiment Michelson interferometer, and I will tell you in briefly how we can perform this experiment in the laboratory. Now, as you can see in video, the experimental setup which we are using is put on the optical bench. Now, as we see here, it is written here Michelson interferometer, and we are using to perform this experiment a laser light which is green laser having 532 nanometer wavelength. This laser light passing through the collimating lens and striking to beam splitter. The beam splitter divides the beam into two beams of equal intensities. One beam is going towards the mirror M1 and other beam is going towards the mirror M2. We are using a compensation plate in the path of beam which is refracting and going towards the mirror M2. And the purpose of using this compensation plate is to make the path difference equal between the beams which is going towards the mirror M1 and which is going towards the mirror M2. And when these beams come back after stacking from the mirror M1 and M2, they come back again on the beam splitter, and after striking through the beam splitter they come in same path and interfere with each other. And when these two mirrors M1 and M2 are exactly perpendicular to each other, we will get circular fringes on the screen. You can see here we have two screws which are on the behind side of mirrors. We use these screws to set up the mirrors along vertical and horizontal. And here is a screw meter. When we will rotate this screw meter, the fringes will get converge or diverge according to the direction of rotation. And using this big rotating wheel type screw, we can change the position of mirror M1. As you can see here, scale which is formed on this Michelson interferometer. Now I am going to show you how the fringes are getting formed on the screen. As now you can see here how beautifully fringes has been created. And when we will rotate the screw meter slightly, then we will see how the fringes are converging and diverging. You can see here when we rotating the screw meter, the fringes are expanding or converging according to the direction of rotation. You can see now the fringes are converging into the center. And now when we will rotate the screw in opposite direction, you will see the fringes are getting expand. As you can see on the screen how beautifully the fringes has formed on the screen. And now this was our experimental setup, you can see. And after doing a lot of effort, finally we got fringes. And may this video will be helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please follow us to get more this type of videos. Thank you.